Primetime news this evening. Let there be light. Full restoration of power in St. Elizabeth nearly 2 months after burial. Prime Minister not happy with the performance of the country's students in maths. And some parents set for disappointment as tailors race against time to complete uniforms for back to school.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live both on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. Special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Javon Keys.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. In the business day, Palace Amusements profit decreases.
And with a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Jermaine Brown.
Well, thank you, Javon. Well, no medals for Jamaica today at the World Under-20 Athletics Championships, but we could be in course for at least 2 on Friday. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Very hopeful.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what advice do you give to your children about conflict resolution?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.